I don't know. We're just going to have to get ready for our next match.
Yeah, we're at our next win. We're going back with Diva action, so we're going to see a debut of Baby P.
Yeah. There's Sonya Williams coming out right now. Looking pretty nice right now. Pink.
Yeah, she's good in the pink. What do you think about her chances against Baby P tonight?
I'm not really sure. I mean, she probably might pull it off, but I don't think so.
You haven't seen Baby P, have you?
No.
Well, when you get a good look at her, then you give me your comment on her, because I think it's pretty bad for Sonya.
Put it that way, I kind of don't want to see it.
Well, she's going to be coming up pretty soon. Get ready for the debut, Baby P. Good luck, son. You're going to need it.
Here she comes. Oh, my God.
Can I take back that comment now?
Yeah, I'll take back that comment.
So you don't think she's going to win this match?
No, I don't think so. That's a woman?
Yeah, that is a woman.
Wow. Okay, yeah.
Oh, no worries. She's a powerhouse.
From the looks of it, yeah. From the looks of it, yeah, I believe so, yeah. Oh, poor Sonya.
Well, the match is getting started right now. We're getting ready to see what's going to happen. Sonya going for the first strike.
First strike. Here's Sonya going for it. Oh, okay. Back elbow. Oh, nope. That's it. Sonya's done.
Locked in a bear hug. Look at her just squeezing. Baby P is just squeezing the life out of Sonya.
Yeah. I feel sorry for Sonya.
They just threw her from the hair, threw her all the way across the ring.
I don't want to see this match anymore. I mean, this is not even a match. It's like a beatdown right now.
Well, she's got to prove herself in NGW.
Yeah. Still, I just don't know.
Oh, that was just a vicious suplex. Dropped her in the back of her head. Sonya can't take too many of those.
No, she can't. This match is so bad. I can hardly commentate on this. It's so bad.
Back with another bear hug. Look at her, just squeezing. Oh, look at Sonya found a way out.
Okay, she probably has a chance. Oh, yeah.
Another back suplex.
Yep, no.
Look at the power of Baby P. I'm sorry to cut you off, but she just threw Sonya straight down to the mat.
It's okay, I have no further commentary for this match, or this beatdown, I mean. Baby P is just, what the hell?
Off the ropes. Oh, vicious flap trap.
Looks tossing her around like a rag doll. That's not right.
Again, throwing Sonya, this time into the corner. Now ramming her shoulders right into the abdomen of Sonya Blade. Whoa, what am I doing? That's Mortal Kombat.
Sonya Williams. Oh, what a nasty powerbomb from the turnbuckle. Out of the turnbuckle.
And up. Another twist and scoop slam, throwing Sonya down to the mat.
Oh! Oh, that was nasty.
Just crushed her.
No, what are you doing up there? No!
Oh! Coming down with a double X handle right on top of the head of Sonya.
Yeah, take it easy there. Punched her outside, staring her down, going out after her.
Sonya being tossed into the steps.
Baby P being very aggressive in this match.
Oh! Vicious back fist. Ooh, shot to the gut.
What's this? Two-handed choke slam. Yes, it is. Down to the mat.
It's a very thin mat.
Back of her head hit her head hit the back of that barricade right there.
Clothesline by Baby P. Grabbing from her hair, pulling her to the ring.
Sonya fought out.
Going back into the ring. Baby P's just choking her.
Showing complete dominance in this match.
Sonya had very little offense in this whole match. Oh, look at it!
Oh, massive powerbomb.
Oh, you saw a bounce.
I thought it was going to be a no bounce powerbomb.
Oh, just crushed her into the corner there.
All that weight.
Dropping an elbow into the lower back. And another one.
Sonya, man, just follow her out to stay down. But she has a fighting spirit. I'll give her that. She has heart.
I don't think she has a chance to stay there. Oh, wait a minute. Sonya, coming back.
Like I said, she has heart to beat. No, never mind.
Caught from behind. Another back suplex. Just tossing her all over the place. What's she doing here? Oh no.
I think this might be the end right here.
Oh! Double underhook face buster. That is it. Baby P has this right here. 2 and 3. That is it.
That's it.
Oh man, that was a one-sided match.
Yes, it was. I feel so bad. I feel so sorry for Sonya Williams.
Yeah, she was just brutalized. So the whole thing, that wasn't even a match. That was an assault.
She did not deserve this.
She's celebrating, but Sonya's barely moving. Sonya Williams is barely moving. I said it right this time.
Yes, you did. No, Sonya Blade. This isn't Mortal Kombat. No.
Yeah, Sonya is hurt. She's barely turning over.
I think we might need medical attention.
Yeah, I think we might need it. Baby P, what a debut. Well, I mean, that is just vicious.
Yes, it was. It was very vicious.
I'm a little scared for the women's division now. I'm a little scared.
Well, I don't think anyone can beat Baby P.
I don't think so either.
Well, we got a matchup next right here.
Oh man, here goes the Chen Yamashita. I don't know. Something about him still creeps me out.
It's just the way how his vibe is towards everybody. Like he doesn't talk, but that face.
Yeah. Well, we got to see how he does in this match here.
Yeah. I believe it's gonna be a pretty good match.
Yeah, especially with his opponent tonight. The Russian lone wolf, Yuri Sokolov.
Yeah. Got this technical brawler wrestler Yuri, and then you got this guy Chen with them kicks.
Yeah, well, not only the kicks, but he's a martial art expert. That's the thing. I mean, we always talk about his kicks, but we never talk about his martial arts skill. That's the thing.
That is true. We never do because he hardly shows it.
Well,
we never know. You know, we might see it in this match.
Oh, we're gonna have to see now. We're gonna have to see.
Complete grace and everything.
Here comes Yuri.
Oh, Yuri. That massive head of his.
We all saw what he did last week in his match against Nightmare.
Yes, he did. He hospitalized Nightmare that night.
Yes, that superplex to the outside was unexpected, but he got the job done.
Yes, he did.
Let's see if he can do the same thing tonight against Chen Yamashita.
Yeah. Yuri, he's a fighter. He's a fighter.
And he is not going to back down from anything.
No, he is not. He could go against Adrian Bane if he wanted to. He wouldn't care.
He would take on Barnett and Bane at the same time.
Yes, he would. and he would probably put up a good fight, but I don't think he'll win.
Don't count him out. Don't count him out just yet. Well, here we go. We're going to let this match start out right here. They're sizing each other up. Yuri with the first. Oh, no. Oh, block. Oh, blocked again.
Oh!
Whoa.
Reverse.
A deja vu type kick right there. And another one straight to the face of Yuri Zaga.
Yuri a little dazed right now from that kick.
Oh, and that elbow to the back of the head. Drop kick. And then Yuri grabs from the side. Nope. Reverse.
Chen coming back in with another kick to the head.
Oh, man, that was a high kick to the head.
Oh, foot DDT. Onto the mat.
Oh, man. Yuri got in, dropping them in arms and forearms into the elbow area.
Another reversal from Chen. Turn him over. Oh, more reversals.
Oh, wait.
Oh! Nice belly-to-belly suplex, and he taunts.
Oh. I don't know what Yamashita was trying to go for there.
I don't know either.
Overside
Oh!
knee to the face. And a shot to the leg. Look out. Chop block. Looks like Yamashita's working on Yuri's legs here.
Yes, he is. Got to work on something.
Ooh, another drop kick is reversed. Now lock it up and toss it into the corner here.
If I was in Yamashita's case, I would work on his head more than his legs.
You wouldn't leave his head alone.
No, I am being serious here because, you know, Chen has that guillotine kick. Work on the head, get that kick in, that's it.
Okay. You're actually thinking this time.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Over backbreaker.
Yes, for once I'm actually thinking.
Going from behind. Nope, reversed. Yamashita really taking it to Yuri right here.
Oh!
That was nice. Wait a minute.
Whoa!
Diving over the top rope.
That was impressive from Chen Yamashita. Yuri throwing him to the barricade.
Headbutt.
A massive headbutt.
Dropping the knee. Reverse into the turnbuckle. Into a ring post.
Oh! Face first to the ring post. Chen throws him back in.
Look out!
Oh! He hit the ref!
What?
Anything can happen now.
Oh, the ref is out. There's no rules. Oh, he's up.
Oh, the ref is up.
Oh, the ref can take a hit.
Yes, he can, especially that hit from Chen.
No. Wait a minute. Reversed again. Block. Man, they're just going at each other with these reversals. Oh, wait a minute. Powerbomb. Wait.
Oh, reversed into a face buster from
Yuri. That was nice.
Oh, there's that super kick again.
Oh, man.
Yuri's known for that super kicks.
Yes, he is. Now grabbing the arm, kick to the butt. Yeah.
Oh, he reversed.
That was too fast. I couldn't even commentate on it. Oh, and a Japanese arm drag. Caught Yuri off guard there.
Yes, he did. Yuri really needs... I'm sorry.
Well, something happened that just didn't make sense, and now going for a shin breaker.
Well, like I said, Yuri needs to take out those legs of Yamashita.
Take out his main target, his power, pretty much. Now he's got him in the full Nelson, pressing down on the neck area.
Chen fought out.
Going for another collar elbow tie up. And Yamashita going for a submission of his own this time with a butterfly. Oh, but the ropes. The ropes are too close now. Let's see, hold on. Really being pushed into the corner.
He reversed that punch. He turned with another punch. And then a drop kick.
Got it right in the mouth.
Yuri going off the ropes.
Oh, and another Japanese arm drag. And then followed up with a running knee. And a hurricane runner. Yuri.
Chen going up on top. Oh, Yuri reversed it.
Threw him down. Now Yuri going up on top.
Oh!
They were trying to stop each other a lot. Oh, followed up by an elbow. Yuri doesn't normally go up on the top rope.
No, he does not. More of a grounded pound type wrestler. Another high kick.
Yep, working on the legs of Yuri Sakura. Cross the ropes. Whoa! He flipped him all the way over with that released German suplex.
I believe he might finish it off. Nope. Hold on. Continue working him down.
Again, another drop kick by Yuri. Now Yuri grabbing him by the arm. Reversed. You can see a side headlock. And a combination.
Whoa!
You saw the speed?
The speed of that combination.
And then, what is that?
Some modified armbar, I believe.
I can't call that anything. Yeah, just modified armbar right there. And then followed with some kicks to the head. Oh, those are vicious.
Directly to the face of Yuri Sakharov. Chen going back on top. Oh! Stomped on his foot.
Trying to break his ankle. Yuri. Roll over neck breaker again. And then followed with a leg drop.
Oh, the eye rake. Oh, there it is.
Oh,
There's the guillotine kick from Chen Yamashita. Going for the cover. 1, 2, 3. A 3 count for Chen Yamashita.
Whoa. I mean, I did not expect that. That eye rake came out of nowhere. I mean, ref didn't pay attention again. But after the eye rake, a good combination of strikes into the guillotine kick.
Yeah. And the impressive win for Chen Yamashita.
Very impressive. It was on, no disregard for the ref here.
He doesn't need to. He's Chen Yamashita, the silent assassin. He does what he wants.
Yeah, he does. Well,